has been months of wrenching and studying the ZZR 12,000, and I finally got it. I finally know. I found it accidentally what causes rattle noise at 500 RPM. And this is it. This is what caused the noise. Alright, so this is how problem works. It begins here at this place, where these cables don't connect properly through these channels. So one of them falls off from this guide here and runs basically on this piece of metal, which makes it longer. And now your carburetors don't work properly. And you lack of horsepower, but the thing is your ZZR will have much more effective horsepower when you get this done right. So what you want to do is take this apart and put it back carefully the way it should be. Make it really nice, and your rattle noise at 500 RPM is gone, and your bike will work good as new. You won't believe the effect of cleaning this thing. Good luck. Let me know in the comments how you do this, how was your results, and what did you do to your ZZR. Thank you.